Yep, another one about makeup. So, oh Lord. Let me just climb that back in. So what I'm going to talk about is the Marc Jacobs Travel Deluxe gift. This was a birthday gift, of course, and it's Marc Jacobs Beauty Le Mauve Cream Lipstick. As you can see right there, that's the lipstick. And it came with the eyeliner. And it's the Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner Gel Eye Crayon Eyeliner. Okay, and it came in that particular box right there. So it's like a travel size, you know, and deluxe gift, travel size gift, like I just said. And it came in this box, and I love this box. Like, it is really, really cool, and it's cute, and it's fashionable. That's a pretty picture. I wonder if that's the same lipstick that she got on her lips. But anyway, that is really pretty. And this is so pretty. And I'm pretty sure they have like bigger size of lipsticks than that one. I believe that's like the mini size. Eyeliner, I'm not sure, because I've seen eyeliners where it's about that size, so I don't know. Anyway. And like I said, this is Beauty Le Mauve Lip Cream Lipstick. Okay, and then, but, oh, why at that? So you got Marc Jacobs right here. And it came in a nice quality cap. Little top or whatever you rather call it. Anyway. And then this is the lipstick. And this is the color. And I actually only wore this about maybe twice. I don't know, I think it's because for me, like I said, I love neutral, and I love, I don't know, like beige and you know, like colors like that, and I like dark colors like dark browns and stuff like that on my lips. I don't know, I just like dark colors and neutral colors. And I kind of feel like this was too light. I mean, and I asked the lady, I was like, any other colors? And she was like, this will look fine on you. But I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just my thinking. And you see right here, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Le Mauve Le Cream lipstick 216. And of course, I'll definitely put it on my skin so you can see what it looks like on my skin complexion. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I thought this was really cool, like how it's designed and stuff. And then this is the eyeliner. It came with the gel eyeliner. And again, you see the Marc Jacobs. There we go. Does it twist? I'm gonna have to put this down to see if it actually twists. But I'm gonna let you see what it looks like on my skin complexion, and also to make sure if this eyeliner screws on, because when I took the cap off, it actually was longer, way longer than this. So yeah. Okay, so this is actually what the lipstick looks like on my skin. I never wore this by itself. I'm actually terrified. I don't know. I'm thinking it's too bright. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and that's just 2 strokes. It's the first time it didn't get it good. I don't know, glide on it. I think it's because I was just scared of how it was going to look. It's pretty. It's just that I'm scared of what the heck it will look like on me. Like, I think they have other neutral colors too, so I don't know. Maybe I should just jump out of the box and do something different and wear this one day, just by itself instead of mixing it. And the eyeliner at the bottom, that's where you can like screw it for the eyeliner up the top to go taller. I can't do it right now because I'm recording in one hand and holding this, but this part right here is where you can, oh, there we go. Maybe I can do it like that. See? Yeah, and then go back the other way. Or is it stuck? I think that's the farthest you can go. I'll just do it like this. By all means, the two times that I've worn the lipstick and worn the eyeliner, because normally I feel like sometimes gel will I don't get my kind of like that droopy, like the rest of the product would drop down to my eyelid, but I didn't have that problem at all. The only times I have worn those is when I just sat down in public places, so I don't really know how it works in heat. But I know, like, when you're sitting down and we're eating and just talking, I mean, it stayed on my eyes pretty good. And a lipstick, I can't really say, well, okay, I did a little mixture. I have most of the lipstick on my lips than I have with the other product. And my lips did feel moisturized. Like, it didn't dry my lips any, so I'll give the lipstick that. But I definitely should jump out the box and try these products more. I mean, it was just sitting up there, so I was like, okay, you talk about these. But anyway, but yeah, this is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. Blacker, I believe that's what it's, yeah, blacker. And the lipstick is Kiss Bang Bang, I'm sorry, Kiss Bang Bang 216. And it's the Marc Jacobs Beauty Lip Cream Lipstick.